Hello 5-1 Orange Group, Mr. Waterman here with today's spelling lesson on Thursday, September 9th, 2021. Before we get started, I want to apologize for yesterday's videos. I was trying to say hello to you before the lesson started and realized that I didn't have the camera on my face. So you saw me from the neck down. Today, you can see my face. I will check this video before I upload it. All right, moving right along, I hope you all have had a great day studying, and I hope you studied for your spelling test. This is spelling test number 14, term 2. This is going to be the template that you're using to take today's spelling test. Okay, it's similar to last week's. You have space to write all 10 sentences, and please circle the spelling word. Then, after we have gone through the 10 sentences, we have our bonus words, the 10 bonus words that we have. Each bonus word is 2 points, so the high score for this test can be 120%. Hopefully you studied all of the clues that I gave you about the bonus spelling words. So let's see how you do. Okay, so before we begin, first thing you need to do is you need to put your full name at the top where it says name. First name, last name, your class, your student number, and today's date. I will do that now to demonstrate. My first name is Taejun Lee. My class is 5-1. My student number is 50. Today's date is September 9th, 2021. There you go. Okay. All right. Let's begin. Good luck. I will say each sentence 2 times. I will say the words 2 times each. Okay? Good luck. Number 1. Japan has some of the cleanest subway stations in the world. It's true. Japan has some of the cleanest subway stations in the world. The spelling word is cleanest. Cleanest. 2. Do you think Tokyo is a bigger city than Seoul? Do you think Tokyo is a bigger city than Seoul? What do you think? The spelling word is bigger. Bigger. 3. Loteria once had one of the biggest burgers because it had 10 meat patties on it. Loteria once had one of the biggest burgers because it had 10 meat patties on it. The spelling word is biggest. Biggest. This is true. Back in maybe 2016, they had this burger that was this tall. It had 10 patties on it. It was a cheeseburger. I ate it and I could not eat anything else for the rest of the day. 5. What is the quickest way to get from Shin Okubo to Tokyo Korean School? It's a good question. What is the quickest way to get from Shin Okubo to Tokyo Korean School? The spelling word is quickest. Quickest. I think it's by bus, but that's just me. Number 6. Teachers are busier preparing online lessons than when they are teaching at school. Teachers are busier preparing online lessons than when they are teaching at school. The spelling word is busier. Busier. And yes, it's true. It takes time to make videos every day. Number 7. Which planet do you think has the roughest surface? Which planet do you think has the roughest surface? The spelling word is roughest. Roughest. Having fun yet? Number 8. The students' desks are heavier than their chairs. The students' desks are heavier than their chairs. The spelling word is heavier. Heavier. Yep, definitely heavier than chair. 9. It's a very long sentence. One of the happiest days of Mr. Waterman's life was when he came to work at Tokyo Korean School. One of the happiest days of Mr. Waterman's life was when he came to work at Tokyo Korean School. The spelling word is happiest. Happiest. It's a very true story because I almost moved to China from Japan. But then this school asked me to come and teach. 10. Many people have said that they have felt lazier working from home. Many people have said that they have felt lazier working from home. The spelling word is lazier. Lazier. And that's exactly why I'm here in my classroom. I prefer to work in school, even though the students are not here. Okay, be sure to check all of your sentences. I will say only the spelling words one last time for you, okay? Make sure they are circled. Number 1, cleanest. 2, bigger. 3, biggest. 4, earlier. 5, quickest. 6, busier. 7, roughest. 8, heavier. 9, happiest. 10, lazier. Now, let's get ready for the bonus words. Number 11, postpone. Postpone. We have had to postpone having students come to school. Postpone. Number 12, announce. Announce. Soon, the school will announce if we can open next week. And fingers crossed, they say, come to school. 13, South Pass City. South Pass City. These are all 3 different words. It's the name of a city. Esther Morris was in South Pass City. 14, Esther Morris. Esther Morris fought for women's rights to vote. Esther Morris. 15, dedication. Dedication. There was a dedication ceremony for Esther Morris because she fought for women's rights. Dedication. 16, ceremony. Ceremony. A ceremony is a special event. Ceremony. 17, citizens. Citizens. The citizens of South Pass City attended the dedication ceremony. Citizens. 18, memorial. Memorial. There's a memorial for Esther Morris. Memorial. 19, inhabitants. Inhabitants. The inhabitants of South Pass City were all happy when women got the right to vote. Inhabitants. 20. Wyoming. Wyoming. Wyoming is a large mountainous state. Wyoming. Okay. That's it. I will say the bonus words one more time. Please check your spelling. 11. Postpone. 12. Announce. 13. South Pass City. 14. Esther Morris. 15. Dedication. 16. Ceremony. 17. Citizens. 18. Memorial. 19. Inhabitants. 20. Wyoming. All right. So, now what I'm going to do, I want you to put your spelling tests away, face down. Instead of doing two separate videos like I did last week, it's going to be easier to just do one long video. Take out your spelling workbooks. This is a good chance for you to pause if you need to finish up checking your spelling test. When you're done, take out your spelling workbook. We are going to turn to page number 76 is where we're starting today. We are looking at week number 15. Please listen and repeat each word as I say them, okay? Now, our spelling focus for this week, we are going to spell words with the sound. Spell words with the sound right here at the top. With the sound, spelled E-R, I-R, U-R, E-A-R, or, and A-R, right? So the ear sound. Let's get ready. We are going to read and spell once together under the copy and spell, and then you can do the cover and spell on your own. 1. Early. Early. E-A-R-L-Y. Early. 2. Earth. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. 3. Search. Search. S-E-A-R-C-H. Search. 4. Service. Service. S-E-R-V-I-C-E. Service. 5. Wonder. Wonder. W-O-N-D-E-R. Wonder. 6. Surface. Surface. S-U-R-F-A-C-E. Surface. 7. Curly. Curly. C-U-R-L-Y. Curly. 8. Shirt. Shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. 9. 30. 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. 10. Doctor. Doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. 11. Sailor. Sailor. S-A-I-L-O-R. Sailor. 12. Shower. 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 13. Bakery. 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 14. Another. 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 15. Barber. 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 16. Collar. 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 17. Worse. 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 18. World. 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 And here are your words written once. Did you write all of the words once? I hope so. Now, I'll give you a hint as to which words I'm going to test you on. So pay close attention. Number 2, Earth. It is important to take care of planet Earth. Number 3, search. Search. You can search for many wonderful things on the internet. Search. Number 5, wonder. Wonder. I wonder if we are going to be in school next week. Wonder. Number 7, curly. Curly. Mr. Waterman's hair is very curly. Curly. Curly and big. Number 8, shirt. Shirt. Mr. Waterman's shirt has flowers on them. Shirt. These are all easy. You should know these words. Number 9, 30. 30. September has 30 days. 30. Number 10, doctor. Doctor. Many people are going to the doctor to get their COVID shots. Doctor. Number 12, shower. Shower. Some people like to take a shower, but some people like to take a bath. I like both. Number 13, bakery. Bakery. There's nothing that smells better than fresh baked bread at the bakery. Okay? Is that 10 words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9. The next word, barber. Boys go to the barber when they want to get a haircut. Barber. Okay? Those are the 10 main words that I will most likely test you on, but you should study all of them because I might throw a few in as bonus words. Like collar, number 16. All right, let's look at page 77 right here. We are going to fill in the blanks with missing words. I will read each sentence first. 1. Before you wash your blank, rub soap on the blank. 2. There's nothing blank in this blank than wobbly skates. 3. The blank told the blank he was seasick. 4. The blank cut off all the boys' blank hair. 5. The dry blank welcomes the rain blank. 6. With such bad blank, it is a blank how this blank stays in business. 7. The blank bird usually gets the worm, but this time blank bird got it. 8. Can a submarine dive blank miles below the blank of the ocean? Now I'm going to choose some random ones here to do with you, ones that I think you might think the most difficult. I'm going to choose number 3. Seasick is at the end of this sentence. So I know if I see seasick, then number 11, sailor, should probably be in the first blank. So seasick, if he's seasick, then he might have to go and see a doctor. So this sentence should read, the sailor, S-A-I-L-O-R, told the doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, he was seasick. Okay. Number 4. The blank cut off all the boys' blank hair. Who cuts hair for a boy? A barber. The barber, B-A-R-B-E-R. Cut off all the boys' curly, C-U-R-L-Y, curly hair. Okay. Number 6. With such bad blank, it is a blank how this blank stays in business. Okay, we're talking about business, so which of these words is a business? Bakery. So a bakery, just like any other business, should give you good service. Okay? When places give bad service to the customers, it is a wonder how they stay in business. So, number 6, with such bad service, it is a wonder how this bakery stays in business. Service, S-E-R-V-I-C-E, wonder, W-O-N-D-E-R, bakery, B-A-K-E-R-Y. And I'll do one more with you. Number 7. The blank bird usually gets the worm, but this time blank bird got it. There's an expression that we use, and we always say, the early bird, E-A-R-L-Y, the early bird usually gets the worm. But this time, it's not the early bird. Another bird got it. Another. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. T-H-E-R. There you go. Okay. So I have done 1, 2, 3, 4 for you. So that's half. Please do numbers 1, 2, 5, and 8 on your own. Now to help you, so you don't choose the same word twice, we have used sailor, we have used doctor, we have used barber, we have used curly, we have used service, we have used wonder, we have used bakery, early, and we have used another. So I've put slashes next to all of the words that we have used in the blanks. Okay? So long lesson today. All right. Dictation. Please listen to the sentences I am going to say, write them down, and then circle the spelling words. Okay? 1. The bakery sells many wonderful pastries and bread. The bakery sells many wonderful pastries and breads. Please circle the spelling word that you heard. Number 2. Sometimes boys at school have their collar up, like that. Sometimes boys at school have their collars up. Circle the spelling word that you heard. When you're finished, turn to page 78. This is fill in the missing letters to make spelling words. You've got O-R, E-R, A-R, U-R, and I-R. We'll do a couple of these. These are easy. Number 1, doctor, O-R. Number 3, shower, S-H-O-W-E-R. And I'll do number 12, T, T-H-I-R-T-Y. And I will do 13, curly, C-U-R-L-Y. I think you can fill in the rest on your own. Okay? The bottom part, you need to divide the words into syllables. You can check your answers with a dictionary. Okay? Number 1, early. Early. Number 2, 30. break it up like this. 30. Okay? Please do numbers 3 through 12 on your own. And what I like to do, I always like to count. Doctor. So where the first syllable ends, that's why I know to break it into the second syllable. Then for the final part, on page 79, this is editing for spelling. Circle the 12 misspelled words below, then write them correctly on the lines. Please listen as I read the passage. Earth Day excitement. Excuse me for a second. Oh, that's a lot of talking. Okay. Miss Spring brought her class of 30 students to an Earth Day workshop. They learned many things about caring for our world. 1. A rain shower can wash away the top surface of soil that doesn't have plants growing in it. 2. The service of a tree doctor may be needed to save a sick tree. 3. There's nothing much worse you can do than pollute groundwater. Miss Spring's class stayed at the workshop until early evening. When it was time to go, everyone had to search for a missing student. It didn't take long to find her because her bright white sailor suit and curly red hair stood out in the crowd. Okay, so we have many mistakes here. You have to find 12. Let's find a few. All right, the first mistake I found was 30. Let's circle it and write it correctly on the line. Thirty. Okay? The second mistake I have found, Earth. We're missing an A. It should be capital E-A-R-T-H. Okay? I'll do one more. The third mistake I found is in the second sentence. World. It should be W-O-R-L-D. And there we have it. Please find the other 9 mistakes on your own. Well, students, that is it for today. This was probably one of the longest videos I have made for you. Almost 40 minutes, which is the full amount of time that we have in a class period. If you haven't already done so, make sure you have all of the information required on your spelling test. If you send it to me via email, please. If we are in school next week, make sure you bring both spelling test numbers 13 and 14 in with you. If I don't get anything from you, you don't get any points. You don't get any points, your score goes down. You know the routine by now, okay? Same thing with your spelling activities. If you're not sending me your spelling activities, bring these into school when school opens. If I don't get anything from you, you don't get any credit. You don't get any credit. You know what that score on your report card is going to be. Okay? All right. That's it. Take care. Stay safe and well. Good luck. Get all your homework done, and I hope to see you all very soon. Until then, I will see you in tomorrow's language arts classes, where we will be going over the workbook activities that you did with Penguin Chick, as well as your grammar activities. All right. And if you have any questions, send me a message on Class Dojo and email me. Okay? 40 minutes. Bye-bye for now.